and Mary here from Two Tiny Wings, which once again means that we have an unboxing. Now, we are so excited because for the very first time, we got a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. This is one of their pin boxes, and so this little adorable box has 2 pins in it, and so we are going to see what we got. Even more exciting,
we're giving them away.
Yes, we decided that we want to send a little bit of magic out into the world. So these 2 pins will be given away to 2 of you lucky viewers. So stay tuned to the end of the video for how exactly you can enter to win one of these pins.
Can I just say, this box is so cute. There's like little Mickey bars, Sorcerer hat. Like, this is adorable. I don't know how, but it's so cute.
It is absolutely adorable. So let's see what is inside.
Ooh. So it comes in this little baggie. We just opened the box and it was right in this little baggie.
And the first pin. You guys, okay, so I am a huge Wally fan. And this adorable little 2-pin set is Wally and Eva. That is so cute. Eva is smiling. Wally is looking at her with just the cutest little expression on his face. That is so exciting. So on these pins, you get 2 pins. Each of them has their own backing. And then we have Wally and Eva. Ah, so cute. So this will be one of the very lucky winners' prizes. We will give these away as 1 pin set. And the other?
The next one, it looks like it's from the Mickey shorts that they have on Disney Channel. It's a Yeti pin and looks like it's themed around Everest and Mickey running away from the Yeti. What's nice about these ones is that they come like with the like plastic thing as if you were to buy them in the store.
Yeah, the pin card. So they both have their pin card. This one is straight from the parks. This one is straight from the parks, as you can see, because it has the pink tag on it.
Same with this one.
Ooh, that one as well. Yeah, we are super thrilled, super excited. This box absolutely made our day, a little bit of magic in it, and we are really excited to make somebody else's day. So, in order to be entered to win one of these pins by June 9th, this contest will close on June 9th. Leave a comment below as to why do you like to collect Disney pins. Mary and Pete, if you watched any of our videos, Mary and Pete are huge pin collectors. They love to just fill their lanyard up with pins, go to the parks, trade their hearts out. And so what do you like about collecting pins? This will run through June 9th, so subscribe and comment, and then on June 10th, we will pick 2 lucky comments from everybody who comments on this video. And each of those lucky people will receive one of these pins. So good luck. And again, this was a wonderful box. We can't wait to receive our next Bibbidi Bobbidi box. And with that,
we invite you to set your imaginations free.